The crypto market is in the red, with the majority of the major currencies falling. Bitcoin has dropped by 0.51% in the previous 24 hours as of this writing. The price of Ethereum falls by 1.21%. Solana is down by 0.4%. Cardano's price has dropped by 1.78%. Polygon cuts by 3.95%. In the last 24 hours, the meme cryptos have plunged. Shiba Inu is down 4.52%, while Dogecoin is down 3.11%. The worldwide crypto market valuation is now $1 trillion, a 1.27% decline from the previous day. The whole crypto market volume has increased by 31.1% in the previous 24 hours and is now worth $55.68 billion. We bring to you a brief performance report of the top 4 cryptocurrencies on the day before the Valentine's Day. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. The top 4 crypto for today are: Bitcoin, BTC, decreases by 0.51%. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency, has dropped by 0.51% in the previous 24 hours, bringing its market capitalization to $45.88 billion. Each BTC is currently worth $21,743. Trading volume has increased by 17.44% in the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin's dominance has climbed by 0.32% from the previous day and now stands at 41.84%. Ethereum, ETH, decreases by 1.21%. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has dropped by 1.21% in the previous 24 hours. Ethereum has a market capitalization of $183.70 billion. In the previous 24 hours, trading volume has increased by 41.29%. Each ETH token is worth $1,502. Dogecoin, Doge, decreases by 3.11%. Dogecoin, the most popular meme cryptocurrency, has dropped by 3.11% in the previous 24 hours. The market value is presently $10.82 billion, with each Doge token trading for $0.08157. When compared to the previous day, trading volume has decreased by 22.69%. Solana, SOL, decreases by 0.4%. Solana's price has risen by 0.4% in the last 24 hours. This cryptocurrency has a market capitalization of $7.88 billion. Each SOL token is now worth $20.95. During the last 24 hours, trade volume decreased by 10.87%. Looking at the current market situation and crypto enthusiasts' emotions, what is your opinion? Would you take the risk now or wait for a better opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.